nana niya. Kamusta na siya? Dito kapag nagka-chronic disease, ang immunity lalong hihina. Mag-Immune Pro. Tulong papalakas ng immunity with proper diet and exercise.
O GP, nag-i-immune pro ka na ba?
Opo naman.
Mali sa tita.
Most doctor prescribed vitamin C and zinc brand. Source
Where's the other?
anti-infectives and second sun 24 Yan. Ascorbic acid is a generic name of Immune Pro. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Ate daw.
Stop it!
Enjoy the refreshing sweet flavors of San Miguel flavored beer. Apple, and lychee with just the right beer buzz. San Miguel flavored beer.
Uy!
Responsibly bili na ng San
Ate
Miguel
mo.
beer. Saktong pa-sweet lang with just the right beer buzz. Available in apple, lemon, and lychee. Drink responsibly.
Solid. Tara.
Saan ka man, siguradong malilibang. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Nakikinig sa Yes!